Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn English vocabulary about things you can find in the kitchen. Fridge. I put the milk back in the fridge. Freezer. The ice cream is in the freezer. Bin. Throw the rubbish in the bin, please. Tap. Turn off the tap after washing your hands. Sink. The dishes are in the sink. Washing machine. I need to put the clothes in the washing machine. Cooker. We bought a new electric cooker last week. Microwave. I heated the soup in the microwave. Cupboard. The plates are in the cupboard. Shelf. There's a jar of sugar on the top shelf. Dishwasher. I loaded the dirty plates into the dishwasher. Worktop. I chopped vegetables on the worktop. Washing up liquid. We ran out of washing up liquid. Tea towel. I dried the dishes with a tea towel. Saucepan. She boiled water in the saucepan. Frying pan. He cooked eggs in the frying pan. Cloth. Wipe the table with a damp cloth. Teapot. The tea is still hot in the teapot. Coffee maker. I made a fresh cup with the coffee maker. Kitchen roll. Grab some kitchen roll to clean up the mess. Cup. I have a cup of tea every morning. Plate. Put the sandwich on a plate. Bowl. I ate cereal from a blue bowl. Fork. Use a fork to eat the salad. Knife. Be careful with that sharp knife. Chopsticks. He's very good at using chopsticks. Spoon. She stirred her tea with a spoon. Mug. I have a large coffee mug at work. Glass. He poured some water into a glass. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed it. See you in the next lesson.